Hey, this is Mike, and today I'm reviewing the Sneaker Cleaner by SneakERaser. This was provided by them as a sample, so thank you so much for the sample. It comes in several little. They have several little baggies, so it's a 5-pack. So there's a few here. Comes in this little box. It's a little bit beat up. Sorry. So that's how it looks with the box. I'm gonna put it down. So this one I already opened. This is the sponge that it comes with. It looks like that. It is wet, so just know that it has a liquid on it. So, and then I'm just gonna grab one of my shoes. So you basically take it, and then you would clean it on the side like so. So this one's not too dirty, um, and you just want to clean it around so you can see like a little bit of the scuff there. So then you just want to rub it, and then you want to clean it very nicely. So as you can see, it did get some of it off. So I mean, not too much, but it did. But I don't want to spend a lot of time just cleaning the shoe while I'm doing this. But that's basically the concept. You would just rub it along the side, and anywhere else it has dirt and grime and all that's usually on the white part on the bottom. If it has this white section of the shoe. So you just want to rub it, and as you can see, it did get more. So yeah, so it definitely works. Does a really good job. I like it, and you can also use this bottom part for other parts of the shoe. If you want to just rub it really quickly all along the side, really makes it shine. As you can see, it's pretty shiny with the liquid. So yeah, so definitely gonna keep your shoes in good condition. Hope you check it out. Hope it was helpful, and hope you get some clean shoes.